G'day there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Winter grass, what a pain this stuff is. It comes up through your grass. I've got common couch grass. Now this one's been pretty bad. There's been a lot of onion weed in it, but it's been pretty good for years. Now I started to do some things to try and knock the clover, and I'm not a big fan of chemicals, but I did put some chemicals, put some natural things down and then some chemicals to try and knock the clover. And the ground's natural resilience to weeds has now suffered. So I was very reticent, very not in, super excited about putting something down. But this section over here, oh my gosh, it was just high and thick and full of this winter grass. And I tried something just purely out of frustration, and it's an absolute 100% brilliant result. That's the ground over there with no winter grass. I'm going to redose now, because it's on the outskirts. I didn't put it all over the entire lawn because I didn't want the chemical down, but absolutely brilliant. And for Australia, it was actually a Bunnings product that I put down. Not that it's their label, but this is it here. It's Munns. And for the international people, this is the bit that matters. Prop, whatever the heck that is the stuff you need to look out for. It's calling it winter grass killer, but absolutely, oh my gosh. All these little guys gone. They were big and green and healthy, and they are totally gone, totally wiped out. So that's the stuff. That's what I'm recommending for winter grass. Absolutely worked a treat, and the common couch wasn't harmed by it at all. It's doing good.